Now, you may have heard of different types of board directors. The main two terms you'll hear is executive and non-executive. What does this actually mean? Well, an executive director is one that actually not only sits on the board, but also has a role within the organisation. Whereas a non-executive director is a person that sits on the board, but does not otherwise have a position or role in the organisation. That now explains where the term Chief Executive Officer comes from, because they're the chief of the executive, meaning the people that work in the organisation. They should not be confused by people that are in executive roles that just call themselves directors, because a board director is one that sits and resides on the board of management. Now, the other two terms to know is called nominee director. Now, there is no such thing of being a representative on a board representing another organisation, because each board director is there to represent the organisation and its shareholders or members for a not-for-profit or government-based organisation. So they are referred to as nominee directors, meaning that another organisation may put someone on the board or recommend someone on the board, but under no circumstances can they have undue control over that person, because each board director is independent and must act with independence. If, in the event that an organisation is putting undue pressure on a board director and their decisions, they can, under law, be deemed to be a shadow director themselves. So a shadow director is not something that we actually want. A shadow director, effectively, the term shadow means they're overseeing and guiding a board director. If found to be doing that, they can also be liable if anything goes wrong.